29 says, what charge would a baryon have if it was composed of a down quark, a strange quark, and a bottom quark? So remember, baryons are made up of 3 quarks. Well, let's give the charge of each quark again as a quick review. We have up, down, strange, charmed, bottom, top. Right? The charge is plus 2/3, down is minus 1/3, strange is minus 1/3, charmed is plus 2/3, bottom is minus 1/3, top is plus 2/3. Okay, so if this one was made of a down quark, a strange quark, and a bottom quark, so what would its charge be? The down quark is going to be negative 1/3, strange quark is going to be negative 1/3, bottom quark is going to be negative 1/3. Okay, so that's going to be negative 1. Okay, so therefore the answer is A. Change it up. What if it was a down, strange, and a top quark? So then it would be positive 2/3, right? Negative 1/3, negative 1/3, positive 2/3, what you get? You get charge of 0. Okay? What if it was instead of a top quark, what if it was charmed quark? Well, charmed quark is also positive 2/3, right? So then you still get 0. Okay, what if it was up quark, down quark, and also bottom quark? So then it would be positive 2/3, down quark would be negative 1/3, bottom quark would be negative 1/3, so that would be 0, right? Now, how could I create a combination that has a charge of positive 1? Well, I could have up quark, right? And I could have strange quark, 2/3, 2/3, minus 1/3, so you have positive 1. So you could have different combinations to create positive, 0, and negative. Okay, how about if you have up, up, up? What would the charge of that be? You're going to have 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, and you're going to have 2, positive 2. How about if you have 3 top quarks? Then you're going to have 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, positive 2. 3 bottom quarks, negative 1/3, negative 1/3, negative 1/3, you're going to have negative 1. If you try different combinations, what you will see is that there's no way to create a net charge of 1/3, negative 2/3, negative 1/3. So all of these choices, B, C, D, are meaningless. That kind of a baryon or that kind of a form of matter does not exist. These are called fractional charges. They exist separately in the quark, but remember, we can't snatch a quark away from the proton. We can't snatch a quark away from the baryon, right? Because of what? Asymptotic freedom. So quark by itself is not discovered. Therefore, no such thing as a fractional charge exists. Okay? Any kind of combination is always going to lead you negative 1, plus 1, plus 2, or negative 2. Okay? So you can kind of see from there that these 3 choices did not even make sense. Okay? So now you can see how to do these kinds of things. Thank you.